Hello student, today we have start our lecture on CAD CAM. Okay, it's a BE mechanical. Subject is CAD CAM. Okay, then what is mean by CAD, what is mean by CAM and what is mean by CAE? There are three different terms. CAD, second one is CAM, third one is CAE. Is it okay? CAD means computer aided design. Computer aided design. CAM means computer aided manufacturing. And CAE means computer aided engineering. Okay, what is meant by CAD? CAD is a computer aided design. It means it helps you to design a part by using a computer. Okay, it gives you a help in design a part by using a computer. Okay, it has again two types. First one is 2D CAD, second one is 3D CAD. Okay, 2D CAD means you have to only two directional view of your CAD model, and 3D CAD means it's a 3D geometry of your card. Next, CAM. CAM means computer aided manufacturing. It gives you a NC programming. And in CAE, it gives you stress, temperature, vibration, fatigue life, bending moment, deformation. It gives you a different type of value by using different type of analysis. Okay, for this all are content the computer aided. That's why it's required a computer. It's required computer. First most important thing is computer in this thing. Okay, second is if it is a computer, it's computer operated with software. Then second most thing is software. Okay, there are the three types of software in industries. In CAD, there are two types of software, 2D and 3D. In 2D, you all know AutoCAD. Okay, AutoCAD is a 2D drawing software for CAD. Okay, it's used for CAD and basic it's a AutoCAD. You know about that. AutoCAD is everyone know about the AutoCAD. Okay, in 3D there are number of softwares. First one is CATIA. Second one is Creo. Third one is UGNX. Next one, there are the number of software, but SolidWorks. There are number of software, but top four are CATIA, Creo, UGNX, and SolidWorks. In CAM there are mainly in India there are two softwares are used. First one is CAM MasterCam, and second one is Delcam. Okay, in CAE most widely used software is ANSYS. Okay, then Hypermesh. Okay, two types of two software are widely used in CAE. In CAM there are MasterCam and Delcam. Again, every software contains the other software parts. Means in CATIA there is also programming software in CATIA, and CAE software also available in CATIA. Then why it is a CAD in CATIA, CAM in MasterCam, CAE means ANSYS? Why it is differentiate? I will give you day-to-day life example. If we have to purchase a chassis, if you have to purchase a chassis of Tata, 1641, okay, or 1642, 412, okay. It's a Tata Motors vehicle name, Tata 1612, okay. Only chassis you have to purchase, then you have to build a body as per bus. If you have to build a body as per bus, then it is a good for human transportation, okay. If that body is built as per bus, then it is a good for human transportation. If body is built as per truck, there is a loading area is there, then it is a good for any goods, okay. But if it is a built for a truck, means it is a built for a goods carrier, and if in that you have to transport the humans, then it is also okay, means it is a okay, but not comfortable, not comfortable, because of it's not built for a human transportation. That's why for human transportation bus is there, and for goods transportation truck is there. As per this same, Katia is also having a CAM part. Katia is also having the CAE part. But Katia is good for, or Katia is built up for 3D modeling. ANSYS is built up for analysis, not a CAD. Why then? Then you ask the question, why Katia gives the ANSYS part, why ANSYS gives the Katia part, why Mastercam gives the Katia part, means why Mastercam include the designing, 3D modeling, why it is included. It is not built for that, means Mastercam is not built up for design, or ANSYS is not built up for design, then why they are give that part? Because if Katia file, I make 3D model in Katia and open that model in ANSYS, if there is any geometry losses happening by importing one software to other software, by importing from one software to other software, any geometric losses is happening, then ANSYS give a one platform, modeling platform, that support you to overcome that geometric losses, okay. But it is not for a designing, it is not good for designing. Mastercam is not good for designing, or Mastercam is not good for analysis. Mastercam is good for NC programming, it gives you a NC program. Delcam gives you a NC program. That means in CAD/CAM CAE there are the different types of software used as per application. If there is a CAD application, then Katia, Creo, UGNX, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, these softwares are used. If it is only 3D part, then AutoCAD is most widely used AutoCAD software. If there is a requirement of NC programming, then we have to use Mastercam, Delcam. Again, nowadays UGCAM is also popular software. UGCAM. If there is a CAE, then ANSYS, HyperMesh, HyperWorks are the software to use for the CAE. Okay. Now we start with a topic of computer graphics. Okay. In computer, what is meant by computer graphics? Computer graphics mean what we have to visualize on a screen. That's called a computer graphics. Means what you have to see on that screen. Means you can draw a line on screen, you can draw a circle, you can draw a square by using any computer programming language. By using any computer programming language, you can draw a circle, you can draw a line, you can draw a square, you can draw any shape, okay, and that shape visualized to you by using a computer screen. That shape visualize you by using a computer screen. That's mean computer graphics. Means graphics means image, computer means computer image. Why it is important? Computer graphics is important for better visualization or better understanding of any image. Means any image. And why it is important in CAD/CAM? Because computer graphics is important in CAD/CAM. Why? Because of graphics is required for 2D and 3D visualization. Okay, 2D and 3D visualization, computer graphics is very important. That means it's a line, it's a circle, it's a square, it's a rectangular, it's any geometry visualized by using computer graphics. Okay, that's why in 2D and 3D software, most important thing is computer graphics. In that computer graphics, first term is transformation. Transformation means what? You can transform this line from one place to another place. Okay, from one place to another place by using any angle, any movement, any reflection of any axis. Okay, in transformation there are the 5 types of transformation. First one is translation, second one is shear, third one is rotation, fourth one is scaling, and fifth one is reflection. Okay, we go for one by one. Okay, first one is translation. Okay, what is meant by translation? Translation means you can, for translation, you can draw any rectangular shape. Okay, you can draw a rectangular shape and you can move this rectangular shape x by 5 units. X by 5 units. It's a x axis, it's a y axis. You can translate this rectangle by x by 5 units. If it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can translate these 2 by 5 units. Then it's go at here. It's meant by translation. If translation in y direction, then it is in downward direction or it is in upward direction. Upward direction is plus y, downward direction is minus y. Here right hand side is plus x, left hand side is minus x. In translation, you can translate this geometry in anywhere, in y directional, in x direction, in negative y direction, in negative x direction. It means the translation. You can shift this geometry to the new location. Okay, you can shift this geometry to the new location by using a computer program. Okay, then next one is shear. What is meant by shear? You know the shear. What is meant by shear? If you draw one square, if you want shear in x direction, then new square is like this. Can change its shape. Means shear in x direction. Shearing. Okay. If it is shearing in y direction, then shearing y direction. It means shearing is a fix at one point and fix one horizontal or vertical line, and you can shear it in any direction, x or y direction. It's meant a shearing operation. Okay. Next one is rotation. What is meant by rotation? Rotation. What is meant by rotation? See, rotation. Here in rotation there are the two terms in rotation. First term is in rotation. There are the two terms in rotation. First part is about origin or about a point. Okay. About the origin, about the point. Okay. It means if you can draw a square A, B, C, D. Okay. If it is a x-axis, it is a y-axis. Here it's a 0, 0. Okay. If command is that you can rotate this square about the point O, means origin, by using 10 degree, then its new location is like that. Here it's a new location. But if rotation of that square about the point B in anti-clockwise direction by using 10 degrees Celsius, then new coordinates are these: A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. There are the new coordinates of that square. Okay, about the point B and about the point origin. If it is about the origin, then from origin it shift to new location. If about the B, then from B is a constant and others are moving. It's a anti-clockwise direction and it's a clockwise direction. Okay, it's a rotation. Third one is scaling. Fourth one is scaling. Sorry. Fourth one is scaling. In scaling, there are again two types. If it is a square, and you can scale it in both directions. First one is reduction and second one is greater, means increasing the size. Okay. If it is a reduction in size, then new A, B, C, D. New square is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. It's a reduction in scaling. If it is a increasing in size, then scaling is new size is this: A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash. It means scaling in both directions. Okay. But if it is a reduction by 50%, then scaling is 0.5. Yes, scaling factor. Okay, by 50%. If reduction is greater than 2%, then scaling factor is 2. Okay, factor of scaling. If reduction is 50%, it is a 50% lesser, then reduction scaling factor is 0.5. If it is a double in size, then scaling factor is 2. It is a negative scaling, it is a positive scaling. But if scaling is below, if scaling is less than 1, then it is a reduction. If scaling is greater than 1, then it is an expansion of that part. Okay. Scaling is less than 1, it is a reduction that part. Scaling factor is greater than 1, it is a expansion of that part. Both are scaling. Okay. Next one is reflection. What is meant by reflection? Reflection means reflection means mirror. In AutoCAD you have to use the command that name is mirror. In many software command name is mirror. Reflection means you have one geometry at here. I can draw one geometry, it's a triangular geometry. A, B, C, x-axis, y-axis. Okay. If you want a mirror with the reference of one line, it means mirror or reflection by using the line xx. Okay. Then new is a here. B dash, A dash, C dash. Then again reflection having x-axis, reflection about the y-axis. There are so many terms in reflection. Reflection about the x-axis, reflection about the y-axis, and reflection about one line. It is line is vertical, line is horizontal, line is any angle with respect to x and with respect to y. Okay, there are so many terms in reflection. Okay, you have transformation. Transformation means you can drop one object and you can shift. You want to shift that object in other location. That is mean by transformation that object. But for this transformation, there are so many terms. First one is translation, second one is shear, third one is rotation, fourth one is scaling, and last one is reflection. By using these 5 types of operation, you can transform one object from one location to another and new location. Okay, you can shifted it to new location. This is mean by a transformation, and this transformation you can visualize by using a computer graphics. By using computer graphics, this transformation of that object you can visualize. You can see the changes is happening. Rotation is done, reflection is done, scaling is done. This is you can visualize by using computer graphics. That's why computer graphics is important. Okay. In next lecture, we can see the formulation of the translation, shear, rotation, scaling, and reflection. All 5 types of transformation matrices. You can see what are the formulas, how it is derived that formula, and what are that formulas. Okay. Thank you so much.